We're at a historic Ryokan in Saga Prefecture in an area called Karatsu. And this is a Ryokan called Yoyokaku, which has about a 130-year history. They're in the 5th generation of owner. And it's very traditional Ryokan. This is one of the many galleries in here, which has a lot of the Karatsu pottery and porcelain, which are the private collection of the family that owns this place. And there's 3 different areas within this Ryokan that has such pottery. You can see they have really pretty gardens. There's several locations of that. So it harkens back to like the Meiji era. Little nooks and crannies. Very beautiful grounds. Okay, so what we're going to do is take a look at our room. Before that, you see some more. There's 19 rooms in this very traditional Japanese inn. And we are in a room. Hold on, where was I? Where was I? Oh, here we go. Over here. Here we go. Tonbo, room 211. So let's take a look. In many ways, this place reminds me of a ryokan we stayed in at Kyoto called Tawaraya. Very traditional, seeped with history. Sorry, the lighting's yellow, so it kind of makes it look yellow. So this is the sleeping in the foreground, or this is where they put out the futon for you to sleep. And then over here, this is the sitting area. And this is also where you will be served your in-room meals. So dining is actually in one's own room. Let's come around and take a look at the cool Again, this area of Saga Prefecture in general, both Arita, Imari, Karatsu, they're known for the pottery and porcelain, so it's a lot of that decorations. And then there's a little sitting area with a view of the garden. And some more decorations here. So if you want to kind of get a sense of, I wouldn't say ancient Japan, but old Japan, this is one of the nicer places that you can kind of experience the traditional Japanese inn with Japanese hospitality. So this room, I was told, is one of 3 rooms that actually has a view of a really nice view of the garden. You can see they also have the geta, the cloggers, if you will, where you can actually go out and walk around, and in the evening they light it up. So it gives a really nice, hauntingly beautiful effect. So Karatsu is an ancient city from ancient times. It's along the Sea of Japan coast in the southern island of Kyushu, and it has a long history trading culturally as well as economically with Korea and China because of its reasonably close proximity. And So this place has flourished over the centuries. And Yoyokaku is in this tourist hotspot, Karatsu. There's also a really nice castle that's within walking distance. So really nice smell of the hinoki wood, cypress. But it's not onsen or natural hot springs. They just don't get that around here. You can see it has the modern amenities. It's traditional, but a few drawbacks, like there's just a single sink. But it's an old ryokan. Doesn't smell old, at least not yet. So, anyways, there's a nice castle nearby. It's not too far from Fukuoka Prefecture. And anyway, so this is what you get when you stay here. This is the Tonbo room at a ryokan called Yoyokaku in Karatsu, Saga Prefecture, Japan. Hope you enjoyed.